Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be taking a quick look at the Razer Hammerhead Hyperspeed wireless gaming earbuds for the PlayStation 5, and you can also use them on PC and with Bluetooth on your phone. So that's pretty slick, more or less AirPod-ish like design wireless earbuds, and they do perform pretty good, except for a couple of things that I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they're pretty much deal breakers. Like these headphones for gaming IEMs, basically, that are also wireless. The biggest problem that I have with them is the battery life. And this might be enough for some of you guys to at this point turn the video off, because these things only last like an hour when using the 2.4 gigahertz connection, this little dongle right here. This is just USB Type-C. You can just plug it into your PlayStation 5 or your PC and you get the best connection for gaming, and they do work pretty well. And in terms of the connection quality is really good. But the problem again that I have with these things, especially for the price, is just the battery life is not that good. And you guys can probably see the RGB lights that these headphones do have, and they sound pretty good. You do have some different preset modes that you can do in the Razer Audio app that you can use on your phone. And personally, I do think that these do sound great for wireless gaming IEMs, and I would say that they are almost comparable to using wired gaming IEMs that do come in at lower price points, but those are not wireless. So here we have the Razer Audio app where you can customize the headphones. You do have active noise cancellation on, off, or an ambient mode. I'm using the ambient mode right now. That's what I typically use when I'm just home alone and I want to hear everything that's going around me, but it still does give me a pretty good level of immersion. But if you want full levels of immersion, you can turn on the active noise cancellation, and it works very, very well. Chroma effect, honestly, it doesn't really matter if you have the chroma effect on or off, because the battery life is still like an hour when you're gaming with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. Do not disturb mode, because it has dual connection, so you can play music through your phone and also listen to whatever you got plugged into this via your PS5 or your PC, and have, two separate connections going at the same time, which is pretty cool. Probably one of the reasons why the battery life is pretty bad. Equalizer, this is where you can go ahead and customize the equalizer that you want. So amplified, default, enhanced bass, and FPS preset. Enhanced bass sounds excellent for listening to music. FPS preset is great for listening to those footsteps and any ambient game noises that you need to be aware of. The clarity is very good, but the separation, surprisingly as well, is also good. And then if you want to customize it, you have your full range of customization options that you can do, which is pretty nice, because I do have another set of wireless gaming earbuds that do not have that capability to deeply customize the equalizer, and I would like them to add that, but that's for another video. You have a gaming mode that you can turn on and off as well, just to make sure that you're getting the absolute best connection and getting the lowest latency possible to your game. And quite frankly, after using these for a few weeks, I have not noticed any difference in using a wired headset and using these wireless earbuds, as long as I'm using this 2.4 gigahertz dongle that I can't grab because I have butterfingers. But besides the point, you can also remap the functions of the earbuds as well. And guys, for $150, I just expect the battery life to be longer. I've tried it with the RGB on, the RGB off, the active noise cancellation on, active noise cancellation off, a little bit after 7, whatever the case is, and then like 8:30 or whatever, these things are beeping in my ear that they're about to die. And then one of the headphones died while I'm mid-game, and now I've got 50% of the audio coming, and I can't focus on the game because I'm only hearing half the game. And that just happens way too often. And I have another headset that it costs twice as much, but the battery lasts more than twice as long. These things for 150 bucks don't seem like that great of a deal if the battery life just cannot keep up. In my opinion, these should be able to get at least, with all the features on, 3 to 4 hours of gaming sessions. And even that is a little low, because sometimes, as gamers, we like the game for longer than 3 hours. But I would say that for wireless earbuds, it needs to be a minimum battery life of 3 hours using the best, lowest latency connection method possible, because that's what we care about. Like, if you use these things on Bluetooth, they last quite a while. Like, I can't kill them just listening to music or roaming around the house or talking on the phone. I can't kill them. Gaming with these things and having them die in an hour is not good at all. Trust me, probably pass on this one until they come out with a new version that has much longer battery life while using the best 2.4 gigahertz connection available, low latency mode, all that good stuff. These things need to last at least 3 to 4 hours for $150. Because otherwise, if I'm gonna spend that much on headphones literally just to listen to music, I would just wait for AirPods Pros to go on sale. Here is a quick mic test of the Razer Hammerhead Hyperspeed. These are directly plugged into my PC, so we can hear what it sounds like plugged into your PC or PS5. And also I will leave a recording of the mic test on the iPhone as well, so you can hear what it sounds like if you already use these and talk on the phone. And before we forget, here's just a quick sound test of the built-in microphones for the Razer Hammerhead Hyperspeed. I think that they sound pretty passable for gaming, especially for wireless gaming headphones, or earphones, I should say, not headphones. Headphones are huge. These are small, fit your ears, and you can walk around with them anywhere, honestly. But let me know how this mic test sounds in the comment section below. With all the issues that these things have as far as the battery life, would you consider them for $150? Or what else would you consider for your primary gaming headset, headphones / earbuds? Let me know in the comment section below. Razer, you might have to go back to the drawing board with this one, but thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe to the channel as well. And yeah, I will see you in my next review video. Hopefully we have something that is a little bit more exciting than these.